Hi, welcome back. It's Cheryl here today. Welcome back to my channel. If you like everything home and garden, please subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you stick around. I hope you like my earrings today. Aren't they cute? $3 at Walmart. But today I'm going to be doing a little Christmas DIY. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. And mostly, yeah, everything I got was from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. Okay, we're back. What you need for this DIY is just one of these little silver 4x6 frames from the Dollar Tree, glue gun, the glue stick, ornament of any kind you want. I chose this little blue snowflake. They come in a pack of 8, scissors, and wrapping paper. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is take the back off the frame and the paper on the inside. And what I did was took the wrapping paper and used this little piece of paper as a guide to cut. So it looks like it'll be just a little bit over here. So I usually cut a little bit more just to make sure, because I can always take away but I can't put back. Okay, so there we go. Alright, I should be doing this at the table instead of trying to do it on the floor. Okay, got that set up. Just gonna fold that over so I can just cut this out. And I'm getting ready to go heat up my glue gun in a second here. So we're going to put this paper inside here and put it back in there. I'll put this back in there so you can't see through the paper. And we'll just make sure it's straight. And as usual, I always have it up and backwards. So close the little tabs back down. I'm not going to glue it because I might want to use these frames for something else later. So there you go. This is in my room here. I'm doing blue and white. And so I'm going to heat up my glue gun and I will be right back. Okay, I think I have enough heat on my glue gun now, because all you need is a dab, and try to center it, I guess, the best way you can. I think it doesn't matter too much. This is pretty, they're all the same, goes over a little bit. Okay, let me put the glue gun down and show you what it looks like. Let me get these glue strings. I didn't put too much glue because, like I said, I probably want to use these frames again for something else. But look, isn't that pretty? And I'm going to put them here on my fireplace. And I have 2 of the little white Christmas trees from Dollar Tree. I'm going to put those next to that. So I'm going to show you, I started a little bit of Christmas decorating here in my bedroom. And I will be back later to show you what I've done so far. So if you like this DIY, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.